Students, Diwali is the festival of lights and it is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. As you know, people decorate their homes with lamps, diyas, rangoli on this occasion. So today I will share with you some ideas to decorate the home with material available at home. So we need the material: wool, fabric glue, thick sheet of any color, glitter sheet, beads, stones, laces, diya, bell, bangle, acrylic colors. Let's start with the diya stand first. Take a thick sheet, square sheet you can take, or you can take any circle shape. First of all, paste the yellow wool on this square shape sheet with the help of glue. Like this, you have to cover the sheet with the wool. Cut it with the scissors. Again, take the wool and paste it with the help of glue. Cover the sheet properly with the wool. Like this. It will look like this. Cover it properly. Now take another wool. You can take any color and paste it with the help of glue. Now take glitter sheet, square shaped glitter sheet, and paste it in the center of the sheet like this. Now we will decorate it with the beads. You can take any type of decorative material. It will look like this. You can paste a sattvic in the center of the sheet also. Like this. Now your diya stand is ready. can decorate it with the lace also, like this, and any type of wool, any color you can use to decorate the diya stand, like this. It's very easy way to decorate the diya stand. Now we will make a wall hanging, or you can make it like a door hanging also. You can use these diya stands as wall hanging also. Make 3 diya stands like this and paste it with the help of lace. Paste the lace at the back of the sheet like this. You can staple it. Now take another sheet or another diya stand and paste it in the center of the lace. Again take diya stand and paste it with the help of stapler. Attach a dory with bell at the bottom of the square sheet. Now you can hang it like this, as a door hanging or as a wall hanging, like this. Your wall hanging is ready. You can attach a wool also on the top of the lace, like this, and hang it. We can make diya stand with the help of bangle also, like this. I have taken a circle shaped thick sheet, lace and glitter sheet for this. Take a thick sheet first and paste a lace on it, like this, with the help of fabric glue or Fevicol. Then at the center of the sheet paste a bangle and glitter sheet. Your stand is ready. Now we will decorate a diya with the help of acrylic color. I am taking orange color, like this. Paint the diya with the help of brush. Let it dry. Now we will paste the glitter on it. I am taking red color glitter. So first of all, put the Fevicol on the diya. Spread it. Again with the help of fabric glue, spread the glitter on diya, like this. Now paste stones on it. In this way you can decorate the diyas. Celebrate eco-friendly Diwali and happy Diwali to all.